Welcome back, friends. This is Ramesh here and you're watching PHP OP series. So this is a part third for our project. So we are doing our simple project here. So this is part third and we will using Ajax here. So I already did the Ajax. So because this video is not related to our Ajax here, so the video, next part in the next coming tutorials I will tell you about all about Ajax and how will it works. But now that I did here, so that I will tell you everything. So that I will explain you everything how I did Ajax here. So then I will tell you how to do an updation here. So then we will do our updation here. So when user will click here, so it is returning done. It is doing nothing now because this is just a basic Ajax. So it is returning done here. So for that, so see that these are our this here. So what do we want? So this is our database. So what we want? So when user will click on this, so when user will click on this, so it will update the database and completer will be turned into yes here. So let's do one thing now. So let's see what I did here. So see that. So first of all, I also passed input here. So also did input here and its type is equals to checkbox. So with the our this PHP, that is our heading to do name here. So and on click, so its class is also checkbox and id is our the id of our to do here. So that will I fetched from the database here. So completed this here. So now let's see that. So now there is one problem here. So whenever we write yes here, so see that completed yes. So but whenever we reload this, so code should go from here, but it is not going from here. So there is one error here. So to resolve this error, we need one here if condition. If $sign to do and completed is not equals to yes. If this is not equals to yes here, so then we want to show our to do here, otherwise to do will not show. So when I will reload this, see that code is gone here because there is yes here. So when I will write no here, see that code is come back. Now let's see how the Ajax work. So here on click function I added complete here. So complete will and I pass the parameter this here. So here this means this whole input here. So I pass the whole input in this parameter here. So now first of all we want to add jQuery in because we are using Ajax with jQuery with not pure JavaScript. I will tell you in the upcoming videos with the help of pure JavaScript also. So for that we will do our XML HTTP request. So here is jQuery. So that this you will get from our code.jQuery.cdn. Simply right click here and copy link address and paste it here. So here now there I created a function complete. So that is same here complete, and this parameter will pass to this in whole input will pass as e variable here. So then there will be Ajax. So this is a syntax here. So type will be post because we want our post request here, and URL will be includes, and I create a new file here under the PHP OP tutorial. There is file in the folder includes. There is file completed to do here. So now data will be I pass the data as id. So id, that id will belongs to this input id here. So that is this one. So this will pass here. So when there is success, it will return this alert response. It will alert response. So when Ajax, when user will press this, so checkbox, so then this control will post the request to completed to do here. So now there is one condition. If is set $post id, so if there is id present as a post request in this file, then this code will work. So it is returning a response. Echo means it is printing a response, means it will return the response. So it will return the response done, so that it will success function will catch here and it will alert our response that is our done here. So now let's do our update operation. So for that we are using our to do model here. So let's do. So here is our to do model. So here we will create one function more. So that will be update to do db. So update to do db, and here we want one id here. So if you don't know how parameters will work, you can see my previous videos here. So here we want SQL statement update users, sorry, to do's, set, we want to update to do, and we want to set completed. We want to set completed is equals to yes. Completed is equals to yes, where id is equals to, we don't know what is id here. So for that, here we will prepare our SQL statement and then we will execute and we will pass our id, that is $id. So it will execute the statement and it will return $result here. So if $result is 1, so then we will pass our response, otherwise we will pass our error here. So now let's go to our to do controller here. So we will copy this and we will paste this, and here we want update to do. So here will be update to do db. So as this is our to do model is inherited here. So where is our to do model? This is our to do model. So copy this and we have access. So we will call here and here will be our id here. So that id we will pass from our this completed to do here. So now our to do model is and to do controller is done here. So first of all, let's include our classes. Under the classes there is our to do controller. So here is our to do controller.php. So first of all, let's create one object here. So here is update is equals to new, there will be our to do controller. So now we want to call our, so there will be one update to do is equals to, so here will be id, $id is equals to $post id. So now there is our to do controller, so we will call this function here. So as this is public here, so we have access here, update to do. So and then we will pass our id here. So this will give us the error. As this is an object here, so we have to pass through object here. We have to call through object here. Then there will be if condition, if $update to do, if this will be 1 here, so we will echo successfully updated. Otherwise we will else it will be echo something went wrong. let's see if it works or not. So when I will reload this again, so when I will click here, successfully updated. See that our this is working. So when I will reload this, see that nothing is happening. So when I will reload this code is gone, so it is not refreshing. So to do, so when I will click here, see that this completer will turn into yes here. So when I will write code again, so it will come here. So after that, let's go to index, then we will window dot location dot reload. So we will reload our this location here. So cancel it, reload it. So when I will click sleeping here, successfully updated, click OK. See that it will automatically refresh. So now our update operation is done here. So see that this is our update operation. So let me recap it again. See that there is, we created one function here, we input here, so that will be checkbox and complete when a class is checkbox here and id is our to do id, so that we will pass to our post request here. So when there is a function complete here, so it will we are passing our whole input here. So if $to do completed yes, if completed yes, then it will print this, otherwise it will not print this. So that's why see that this is, so I'm reloading this, see that completed yes and yes, sleeping and code having yes. So see that here there is no sleeping and code. See that code is here, but it is code is at 2 times here. So see that completed this, so it will pass this. So we have to use jQuery, so we are using jQuery here. So function, it will go here and there will be a post request $and ajax request, that will be post request, and URL will be includes and our complete to do PHP file, and data we are passing id as this input id here. So when there is will be success, it will alert our response here. So window, it will reload our window here. So after going completed to do here, so here is include, once we included our controller here, that is under the classes folder. So if is set, if is set, so if is set, if post id is here, if id is present as a post request, so it will do this request here. So first it will include our classes to do controller here, so id will be our post id, then it will create our new object of the controller. So this will create new object of the controller. So then we call our update to do function and we passed this id here. So this id will pass to do controller here, this one, and this id will pass to our to do model function here, that is update to do dv. And when we will go to do model, then it will execute this function, and if it will return our result, that will be is equals to 1 here. So this result will go store into update to do, then if there is 1, it will return successfully updated, else it will return something went wrong. So this was our update operation. So for complete ajax tutorial, I will make another tutorial here. So for there will be only ajax and ajax, so I will tell you everything like post request, put request, get request, and everything. So I will see you in the next video.